Welcome to Herbal Wellness. Are you over 50 and always feeling tired? Do you often wake up feeling tired, even after a full night's sleep? Does your energy run out quicker these days? These 3 herbs will restore your energy and vitality. If you're over 50, you're not alone. Our bodies go through real changes. Metabolism slows down, hormones shift, and stress hits harder. But here's the good news. Nature has powerful ways to help you regain that spark without relying on stimulants. In this video, we'll explore 3 time-tested herbs. But before we dig deep, kindly like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to this channel. We're committed to bringing you insightful, engaging, and highly impactful herbal content every week. All right, let's jump right in. First up, ginseng, one of the world's most trusted vitality boosters, the ancient energy root. Known in Asia as the root of life, ginseng has been used for thousands of years to fight fatigue and build endurance. Modern research confirms what ancient healers already knew. Ginseng supports healthy blood flow, balances stress hormones, and enhances focus. Unlike coffee, which gives a short burst followed by a crash, ginseng gently awakens your system, helping your mind stay alert while keeping your body calm. You can enjoy it as a tea capsule or powder, ideally in the morning. Within a few weeks, many people notice improved stamina, better concentration, and a general sense of well-being. Just remember, look for Panax ginseng or Korean red ginseng for best results, and avoid taking it late in the day, since it can make you too alert to sleep. The second herb is ashwagandha, often called the king of Ayurvedic herbs. It's especially powerful if your tiredness comes from stress, worry, or restless sleep. Ashwagandha is an adaptogen, which means it helps your body adapt to stress. It regulates cortisol, the stress hormone, allowing your nervous system to relax and recharge. When your body is calm, your energy naturally returns. You sleep better, think clearer, and wake up refreshed. You can take it as a capsule, powder, or mix it into warm milk at night. Over time, it helps restore balance, especially for people feeling mentally exhausted or emotionally drained. Finally, we have moringa, sometimes called the miracle tree. Every part of this plant is rich in nutrients, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help fight fatigue at its root cause. If you often feel sluggish or weak, it might be because your cells aren't getting enough nourishment. Moringa fills those gaps naturally, supporting your joints, brain, and heart. It's also excellent for managing blood sugar and inflammation, 2 key issues that can sap energy as we age. Try adding a spoon of moringa powder to your smoothie, soup, or tea every day. The more consistent you are, the better your results. So if you're over 50 and constantly feeling drained, remember, your body isn't broken. It just needs support. With ginseng to boost your energy, ashwagandha to calm your stress, and moringa to nourish your body, you can reclaim the strength and focus you thought you'd lost. These herbs work best as part of a balanced lifestyle, with enough rest, movement, and a heart full of gratitude. If this video inspired you, please give it a like, share it with someone who could use more natural energy, and subscribe to Herbal Wellness for more herbal wisdom every week. Remember, you're never too old to feel alive again.